The question is, show that the equation of a line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line, this one is this. Understand the question from with the help of xy plane. It's an easy question. Just the calculation is there, nothing else. So we have an xy plane. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. And there is a line which is passing through the origin. So let's take a line. So let's say this line is as L1. This line is making a line theta with another line. So let's say this is line L2, whose equation is already given to us. Okay, that is y is equals to mx plus c. This line is L2. They are making theta. Whenever two lines are making theta, so directly first I am taking the slope. So slope for line L1 I am taking as m1, and slope for this line is already given as m. So I am not taking m2. So m is there. Right now, when two lines are having slope, so their formula is tan theta is equals to m minus m1 minus m2 actually is there, but here you have L1 as m1 and this m2. M I am taking for the second one, 1 plus m1 times m. This is the general formula. Now we have to work out from here m1. Now, equation of line L1, and this line is passing through the origin. So point origin is there on the line. So when we have a point on the line, we have a direct equation. For slope, I am taking m1 because this is the equation of line L1. So y minus y1 is equals to m of x minus x1, because the slope for line L1 we have taken as m1. And this x1, y1 is 0 only. So this completely 0, this completely 0, you are left with this. Now we have to work out for m1 to put it here, and you will get whatever you want. So let's solve this one. It's easy to solve. Just understand it very carefully, how to solve it. So when modulus you have, it means inside part, either it is negative or positive, because it will ultimately come out as positive only. So let's take two things, very carefully see it. First, I will take the inside value as positive. So tan theta is equals to m1 minus m over 1 plus m1 m. And the second part is when it is negative, m1 minus m over 1 plus m1 m, right? So we have to solve it. So after solving it, it is tan theta plus m1 m tan theta is equals to m1 minus m. So I'm taking these two terms common. So I'm taking this term to that side. So m1 directly I'm taking common. It's tan theta minus 1 is equals to minus of tan m of tan theta. Because this is negative, when I take this, this is also negative. So value of m1 I'm getting as m of tan theta. There is a minus, but I'm taking directly here to the minus. So 1 is positive, become positive, and this is this. So the first value of m1 I got. From here, again, I will cross multiply. So it becomes tan theta m1 m is equals to minus of m1 plus m. Again, I'm taking m1 common from here, taking this both the value m1 to the negative m1 to the left hand side, and m1 common m plus 1 is equals to m minus tan theta. So m1 value I got as m minus tan theta over 1 plus tan theta m. Okay. So if you will see both the values, here m1 and here also m1, the same. Here you have plus above, here you have minus, here you have minus, here you have plus. So when you will write after combining both the terms, what you have to do, it's very simple. Just combine like this, that value of m1 is equals to m, because I'm taking this value first, so plus minus tan theta over. So here negative is first, so 1 minus, then plus m tan theta. This value you just have to put it here and you will get the answer. Okay, as simple as that. So when I put it here, so y is equals to m1x, x I'm directly taking to here, it will is in multiply, it goes in division, when change its side. So m1 value is how much? M plus minus tan theta over 1 minus plus m tan theta. Okay. So yeah, that's the value, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much.